Did you know that nearly 90% of Americans don't eat enough vegetables according to the CDC? That means most people are missing out on some of the simplest, most powerful foods for health. And one leafy green often sitting right in front of us, sometimes ignored, sometimes overhyped, is spinach. For decades, spinach has had a reputation as a superfood. It's been praised for its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Heck, even Popeye used it as his secret weapon. But in recent years, you may have heard the opposite too, warnings about kidney stones, oxalates, or poor nutrient absorption. So, what's the truth? Is spinach really as good for you as people say, or can it actually be bad for your health? In today's video, we'll explore exactly that. I'll walk you through 6 science-backed benefits of spinach, from heart health to brain power, and then we'll uncover the lesser-known downsides. Finally, I'll share the smartest way to eat spinach so you can enjoy all its benefits while avoiding the negatives. So, if you've ever wondered whether that bunch of leafy greens in your fridge is a superfood hero or a hidden problem, stick around, this video is for you. 1. Packed with nutrients. Spinach is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's a true nutritional powerhouse. Just 1 cup of raw spinach gives you vitamin A for healthy skin and vision, vitamin C to support your immune system, vitamin K for bone strength, and folate, which is especially important for brain and cell function. And let's not forget the minerals: iron for energy, magnesium for muscle and nerve function, and calcium for bone health. All of this comes at under 10 calories per cup, meaning you get an incredible nutritional return without piling on excess calories. According to the USDA Nutrient Database, spinach ranks among the top leafy greens in nutrient density. In fact, researchers at William Patterson University placed spinach in the top 5 powerhouse vegetables, meaning it delivers essential vitamins and minerals that are strongly linked to reducing chronic disease risk. This makes spinach an easy way to upgrade your meals without needing fancy supplements. So whether you add a handful into your morning smoothie, toss it into a salad, or cook it into a warm dish, you're packing in a variety of vitamins and minerals your body thrives on, without the calorie overload. 2. Heart health. One of the most fascinating things about spinach is its natural nitrate content. Nitrates are compounds found in vegetables that help your body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. For your heart, this means less strain and better overall cardiovascular health. Research backs this up strongly. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed nitrate-rich vegetables, including spinach, had significantly lower blood pressure levels. Another clinical trial from Queen Mary University of London showed that spinach supplementation reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure after just 7 days. That's impressive for such a simple leafy green. Heart disease remains the #1 killer worldwide, so adding foods that naturally support your cardiovascular system is crucial. Spinach provides not just nitrates but also antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which further protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. So the next time you're making a meal, think of spinach as a gentle, natural way to help your heart stay strong and your blood flow stay smooth. 3. Eye protection. Spinach isn't just fuel for your body, it's also like natural sunglasses for your eyes. That's thanks to its high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoid antioxidants that are literally concentrated in the retina of your eye. These compounds act like a shield, protecting your eyes from damage caused by blue light and oxidative stress. Research has shown a strong link between lutein and eye health. For example, the Age-Related Eye Disease Study, ARDS-2, conducted by the National Eye Institute, found that diets high in lutein and zeaxanthin lowered the risk of developing advanced age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Other studies suggest these antioxidants may also help prevent cataracts, which cloud the lens of the eye and affect millions of older adults worldwide. And here's the good news: spinach is one of the richest sources of both lutein and zeaxanthin. Just 1 cooked cup can give you over 20 milligrams of these protective compounds, more than enough to support long-term eye health. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp as you age, a few servings of spinach each week might be one of the best investments you can make. 4. Brain boost. Spinach has powerful effects on the brain, and research confirms it may help slow down age-related mental decline. That's because it's packed with nutrients like vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. One notable study published in Neurology followed over 900 older adults for nearly 5 years. The researchers found that those who ate 1 or 2 servings of leafy greens, including spinach, had the cognitive abilities of people 11 years younger compared to those who rarely ate greens. That's a huge difference just from diet. Spinach also supports brain health in other ways. Its antioxidants fight free radicals that can harm neurons. Folate plays a role in neurotransmitter function, which affects mood and memory. And magnesium, another mineral found in spinach, has been linked to improved stress response and better sleep quality, both critical for brain performance. So, whether you're trying to stay mentally sharp as you age or you simply want better focus and memory today, spinach provides natural brain fuel. 5. Stronger bones. When people think about strong bones, they usually picture milk or dairy products, but spinach deserves equal attention. That's because it's one of the richest vegetable sources of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a key role in bone health. Vitamin K helps proteins bind calcium to the bone matrix, making bones denser and reducing fracture risk. Research supports this benefit. A review published in Nutrition Journal concluded that higher vitamin K intake was linked with improved bone mineral density and a lower risk of hip fractures. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people with the highest vitamin K intake had 65% lower risk of hip fractures compared to those with the lowest intake. Spinach also contains magnesium and calcium, 2 more minerals essential for bone strength. While its calcium is partly bound by oxalates, cooking spinach reduces that effect, making the calcium more bioavailable. For anyone concerned about osteoporosis or maintaining bone strength with age, adding spinach to soups, omelets, or stir-fries is a delicious and natural way to support skeletal health. 6. Anti-inflammatory power. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer. One of the best defenses we have is food, and spinach shines here too. It's loaded with flavonoids, carotenoids, and other phytonutrients that calm inflammation at the cellular level. Research has highlighted these effects. A study in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture found that spinach extracts had significant anti-inflammatory activity due to their high concentration of polyphenol. Another study suggested that lutein, abundant in spinach, helps reduce markers of inflammation in the blood. The antioxidants in spinach neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can trigger inflammation and damage cells. At the same time, compounds like quercetin in spinach provide added protection for joints and tissues. This makes spinach not just a food, but almost like a natural anti-inflammatory supplement, except it comes in a delicious, versatile form. Eating spinach regularly may help reduce your long-term risk of inflammation-related diseases and keep your body in balance. Can spinach be dangerous? Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, but here's the twist: it's not perfect. Like most foods, how much and how you eat it matters. One of the main concerns with spinach is its oxalate content. Oxalates are natural compounds that can bind to calcium and iron, making these minerals harder for your body to absorb. For most people, this isn't a huge problem, but for those prone to kidney stones, high oxalate foods like spinach can increase the risk. A study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology confirmed that diets rich in oxalates may contribute to calcium oxalate stones, the most common type. Another issue is that eating spinach raw all the time limits mineral absorption. While raw spinach keeps vitamin C intact, the calcium and iron are locked up by oxalates. Spinach also contains purines, which may aggravate gout in sensitive individuals by raising uric acid levels. Now, none of this means spinach is bad, it simply means balance is key. For most people, eating spinach a few times a week is safe and beneficial. The potential downsides only really matter when it's consumed in very large amounts or always in the same form. How to eat spinach for maximum benefit. So, how do you unlock spinach's superfood benefits while minimizing the downsides? The answer is all about preparation and pairing. First, lightly cooking spinach, by steaming, sautéing, or boiling for just a few minutes, can cut oxalate levels by up to 50%, according to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. That means more of the calcium and iron become available to your body. Second, pair spinach with foods rich in vitamin C, like tomatoes, bell peppers, or a squeeze of lemon juice. Vitamin C boosts non-heme iron absorption, making spinach a better source of this essential mineral. That's why spinach salads with citrus or tomato-based dishes work so well nutritionally. Third, rotate your greens. Don't just stick to spinach every single day, mix it up with kale, arugula, collard greens, or romaine. This way, you get a broader nutrient profile and avoid too much oxalate intake. Lastly, blending spinach into smoothies is fine, but balance it with other fruits and veggies. And if you're prone to kidney stones or gout, talk to your doctor about how much spinach is right for you. When eaten smartly, spinach is far more of a friend than a foe. So, is spinach good or bad? The science says, definitely good, when eaten smartly. Add it to your meals, mix it up with other greens, and you'll unlock its full superfood power. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and let me know in the comments, how do you enjoy your spinach, raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or cooked in your meals? Thanks for watching.